I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, stepping you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out?
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. We're gone for a year only.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video we are going to be beating this face down. Okay, I'm so freaking excited. I got some new products that was sent to me and I'm gonna be reviewing them for you guys because I need to let you guys know, do you run to Ulta or do you sit this one out? So hopefully you guys are ready for that. This look is super duper easy to achieve. This is a halo eye makeup tutorial. I mean, this is super duper affordable and beginner friendly. So my girl, if you are ready to start slaying your face and looking like this, just give me your hand and let's get into this video together, period. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear off my skin. Where's the front? With the witch hazel that I get from actually Marshall's for $5.99. Don't get this from Walgreens, get it from Marshall's. I don't even got my mirror. What am I doing? Let me get myself together. I'm so excited to try out this product. I was actually on their PR list. I literally got an email and it was saying that your order has been shipped out. And I'm like, I thought somebody just fraud on me. I said, who just did fraud about makeup? Because now my bank is really not gonna believe me that I didn't do this. And I looked and they actually sent me out a package and I was just like, ooh, I'm so excited to share with my girlies, with my teammates. I just cleared off my skin. Let's go ahead. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup a little bit different today. I'm gonna do my eyes first. Right now I'm taking the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. I really like that. I literally take a pea size and it just is so thin. I think that's what's my favorite thing. I just know it's like seeping into my pores. What's your favorite primer? Comment that down below because I mean this right here is just my holy grail. Like I just love it so freaking much. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows. Guys, for the past couple of like weeks, my foundation has been too light for me. Your girl got the summer tan, but I'm not pulling out the summer foundation. I'm pulling out the old reliable. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and carve out my eyebrows off camera because y'all see me do my eyebrows, and if you haven't, I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below in the description box and somewhere up on the screen. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and take the Juvias Place palette. This is the Warrior 2 palette, which is a very nice palette, very gorgeous, has nice matte shades. I feel like these are everyday friendly. As a transition color, we're gonna go ahead and start with Yodit. Okay, so after I packed that on, as you guys saw, I didn't blend, didn't circular, nothing, just pushed it into the skin. Now we're gonna go ahead and deepen that with this shade right here. This is Kafuru. So now that we have the two shades down, I'm gonna stay right inside my crease and start doing circular motions to get these shades blended together. So next up, I'm gonna also bring that same deep shade down to my lid. We're gonna try to leave the space a little bit open because that's where we're gonna add that halo kind of vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and grab another fluffy brush that's clean with no product on there, and we're gonna blend out the edges. This brush is actually a really good brush, super inexpensive. It comes in, I believe, a 12-pack from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below so you guys can purchase this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here. I believe I got this from Marshall's. This was in a Real Techniques kit, and this literally just says blending. It doesn't have any number on there, but you could just use any fluffy brush that's clean. So I'm just going to use that to just just kind of blur the edges out a little bit more so they're like nice and blended, because that first shade that we put down, we really just placed it, but we never really like blended it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ivani Greg palette. This is from Morphe. This palette is actually sold at Marshall's. I always rave about Marshall's because they have really good inexpensive makeup. But yeah, this Ivani Greg palette is very nice. They have really gorgeous shades and it has a nice range. I want to go a little bit more golden bronze, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade, and it's called Fishies. I'm gonna go ahead and just take that fluffy brush and just kind of sweep that right on the edge of this glitter. I really thought this was a shimmer shade, but it was more of a glittery shade. I do have a little glitter on my face, so let me just show you guys a little hack. I use these disposables for my clients. I'm just gonna take one and I'm just gonna take a clean spoolie, and this is just gonna help kind of like just drag the glitter off the face. Okay, my girls, so I did go ahead and pop these lashes on. They look so good. Like, I just love how like dark they look. The front is itching me a little bit. So are you guys gonna be proud of me, because today I'm gonna be using a different foundation. You guys know I love my NARS. I love my NARS, but today we're gonna give my drugstore girlies, my affordable girlies, a chance. So the main reason why I'm not using my NARS today is I have a mean tan. Like, I know you probably cannot tell like on camera with the lighting and everything, but I am significantly tan. Like, if this wig was back, or you would see, girl. So yeah, today I'm going to be using two shades. This shade is really tan. This is Coconut 355, and then I'm also going to be taking Classic Tan, which is typically my shade, which is 335. Even for my clients, I never just use one shade. I always use two. You want to use your darker foundation around the face, and then your lighter more in the center of your face, but you don't have to do that, especially if you're on a budget and you just want to buy one foundation. You know, just buy your perfect match. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just apply this foundation. And okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and conceal the face. My typical concealer is medium warm, but because I'm more tan with my highlighting concealer, I'm gonna take a medium sand, which is very light, and then we're gonna take deep caramel. I hope this is not too dark for me. We'll see. I'm gonna probably play with the colors a little bit. I'm going to take liquid blush from Juvia's Place, and this is Pink Lady, and we're just going to put a tiny drop because this thing is so pigmented, girl. Alrighty guys, so I'm so excited to show you guys, but today we're going to be trying out the new Juvia's Place bronzers. Guys, these are so new. They're sold right now online at Juvia's Place, on Juvia's Place website, and also at Ulta, and I'm so excited to try out their new cream bronzers because girl, I know this is gonna give. So out of all the shades that they sent me, I was in between Sunkissed and Caramel. I feel like these shades were like the closest to me as of right now, so I think I'm gonna try out shade Caramel. It's not too dark, but I think that it's gonna be the perfect shade of bronze. Sunkissed looks a little bit more neutral, which is coming off a little bit, it's gonna look like a contour shade on me, so that's why I think I want to try Caramel. But if we need to darken it up, then we'll go ahead and take Sunkissed. Okay guys, so we did go ahead and apply this bronzer, and do you guys see? Wow, that was really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face today. We're gonna go ahead and take the Laura Mercier setting powder. This is the ultra blur one. By the way, on the lips, I took the Juvias Place Luxe Liner in shade Brownie, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in shade Butterscotch. This looks really good. All right, my love, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this super easy glam. I hope this was as easy as it was for me, for you. I really hope so. This was just an easy halo glam. Also today I wanted to try out the Juvias Place bronzers. I really did like these bronzers. Loved it so freaking much. I think it just looks so beautiful. It's very soft, just very gorgeous. And they're very inexpensive. They're only like $18 retail. You can get them from your local Ulta, or you can get them online at juviasplace.com. Yeah, I really did like this. They do have a very nice shade range, so you can definitely find a shade that's gonna work for you. This was just amazing. You guys know I am just obsessed with Juvia's Place. Like, they just have so many good products. They are really killing the game. I love them so much. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You have to like the video. Like, that is just so important. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I mean, girl, what am I doing wrong? Click that button down below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I give all things beauty related, okay? So if you are just trying to step it up every time you step out, definitely subscribe to me, because it's free. Literally, it's free. I'm giving you free gems, free game, period. Also, for all the information on the products that I used today, definitely go ahead and check the description box down below. I love you guys so freaking much. You guys are my family. You guys literally mean the world to me. Every time I read your comments, I smile. So don't forget to comment down below this secret emoji right here. That's how I know you are gang and you watch my video. What that girl say? Gang. I know y'all gang, and y'all watch my videos all the way through. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.